Are you guys first?
No, we're just seeing if it floats. Yo, Billy, what is that? Yo, we don't know if it floats. What is that? Billy, let's go.
Hello, Mr. Geller. You ready?
I'm ready.
Mr. Biggins, there he is with the umbrella. Rescue chopper.
Should hold the umbrella for Joanne. She's got a bigger camera.
Yeah, but this one's better. This one's high def.
There's Joanne with that small camera. It's right on the post.
Look at Jack all dressed with a suit and everything. This is, here we go, maiden voyage.
Alright, we're going down to the water. Oh! Okay, we gotta see this one. Get in good, guys, don't fall. Jack, use the oar to stabilize you guys. Push the oar in the sand. There they go.
Look at them, they're off. They are cruising.
It is pouring.
They're gonna sink.
You know, it's going to disintegrate.
Alright, yeah. Do whatever you want to do. Is that Mr. Biggins right there?
Yep. That's the most stable thing.
There they go. Well, we got a bigger umbrella, that's good.
Does that help?
Yes.
Hey, how you doing, Dad? No, it is, but we'll have to come into you after. Hey guys, come on back in, please.